Okay, what's up, guys? Again, let me know if you hear me good. I'm back to home 10 minutes ago. We got the CPI today. We talk about it during the CPI session, bonus session for today. We got also some setups for different assets. So let's check how they play, if they play, where we are at now. And we of course we start with gold. Gold almost hit TTP 1 to 4. That was 1 to 3.5. Maybe we got some pullback here and continue melting. We still not sweep that weak. It's just below 4,100. I want to see to took it out this week. I want to see take it out. We are in dangerous place because we are close to sweep, and let's see what happened next. That was pretty clean. Your stop loss if you play break of structure. 2-minute chart, break of structure here. So if you play from break of structure, that was something like that. Stop loss above the structure, entry after the break of structure, target, and that is 1 to 4.5. My position from the previous session with that stop loss above this structure is 1 to 4 at the target, so not much change. It's just a half risk to reward. Christian, all good. Thank you, Christian, for your feedback. Our 80 liquidity work nice. So let's go with top down, dollar and another asset. That gold just let it run to the TP. I believe we sweep that 100 sooner than later. Maybe today, maybe during the Tokyo. But yeah, I don't think so. We are I don't think so. We are in the place when our entry is on dangerous spot. Yeah, I feel safe with it. Dollar still open. Maybe they want to go for the second zone. I don't want to tell you close it. Maybe break even. But if it sweep your stop loss, we got another entry. Silver. Oh, silver looks better than gold for the reversal here into that higher zone. 1 to 2 is to reward out of setup. Silver is tricky now. I will protect it, to be honest. For dollar, I feel more safe. And for silver, maybe I will try to protect it. Secure the position. Because gold do the lower low, and silver just consolidating. Trump says they will attack hard again. Oh, come on. Come on, Mr. Donald. I won't say it's how to say that to not sound as a freak. It just, his words just help us with hit full target. Yeah. Donald trying to help us with full target. EU still, nothing changed to be honest. GU hit the higher zone. What we talked about on previous session. And now I want to see melt to the downside. Hard melt, you know. It hit that higher zone. And I want to see melt on GU. That does 1-to-1 risk to reward, nothing crazy. But yeah, I want to see melt. Two-minute break of structure here. And here. And 1 minute also here. That 2 minutes looks good. Oh, that was almost 1 to 3 from 2-minute break of structure. And final target will be crazy. 1 to 16. Yeah. From 2-minute break of structure, so more precise entry. It's looking much better for the risk to reward. Swiss franc. Swiss franc trying to come back for us. But that can be the range. And they already hit 61 to 78. Yeah, that can be the range. It's possible. And they already hit it, so maybe that zone will be beat deep. And also this one, this liquidity. Maybe the move is already done, already start. We'll see what price do when return to it. If it's fly, because that was 61 to 78, or it returns to sweep it once again. Bitcoin pushing, trying to sweep this liquidity. or go deeper into the zone above this liquidity. Overall, I will repeat myself, Bitcoin is in the spot for buys still between first and second zone. So if you feel FOMO, yeah, go ahead with buys for holding. Oil slowly coming for the entry. Yeah, let him push a bit. He's slowly coming for the entry. Same as EU. So good day today. Everything in profit, or if not in profit, we're in well, is just waiting. Our ideas today are in profit or still waiting for the entry. So good day, good day. I still believe gold will sweep that week. I wait for that for buys. Yeah, same as me. Same as me, and what I'm showing you today. Ah, that was not here. What I show you today with that sweep and volume perspective, we can looking for bigger retrace to the upside around 5k or smaller one around 4.5k after sweep this week. I just want to watch the volume and price action inside this box. I want to see volume and price action. Then I will decide if we go to 4.5 or around 5. Yeah, it's closer to end of the day. We got high volatility news today. So market is maybe a bit exhausted and can be slow till end of the day. Tokyo should move. Tokyo should move for sure. But sweeping this week is destination, I believe. Yeah, if we sweep this week, create lower low than this one with higher volume than previous, I'm expect pullback to 4.5K, maybe somewhere here. You know, I'm going to analyze it after. But when we do a low with lower volume, another low with lower volume, it's gonna be the sign maybe market is exhaust with selling, not much sell pressure, and then I'm expect bigger retrace for around 5K, sweep this one, deeper pullback, reaccumulate, and go higher. That's gonna be the outlook for the rest of the year, you know, so for upcoming months. It's not gonna happen in 3 days. It can took some months, probably. That's the same like today. Today we don't need to sweep it. Maybe Asia sweep it tomorrow. And I forget about S&P. Oh, it's gonna hit the stop loss for sure. That was the entry here today. That was the entry. Gave us almost 1 to 2 and return to the drawdown area. Let's see what happened next. But today, great exploration of S&P with that 0.5 fibs, and that was cool. My chart now looking like a fibs only. 100 fibs level here. Okay, maybe that's gonna be the shorter session because I don't know what to say more. We talk everything during the bonus session. Setups are still working for profit. I'm just back to my view with volume and another low with reversal. So yeah, let them work, let them run, no rush. It's still trying to sweep this low. And yeah, that's gonna be probably it from myself. If you doesn't have any questions, there is no setups from for now. We got every setup during the CPI. And I'm just enter to check how it goes, what happened after we do the analysis. So clear so far, good. Yeah, thank you for the feedback. And you have a holiday today, Christian? You always were at work. I mean, usually last time, usually you were at work. Today you join two streams. Oh, nice. Nice. Sometimes you printing money in regular work, and sometimes you print money on the chart. Ah, okay. 4 on 4. Okay. Yeah, gold may be trying to do the pullback into EMA 20, and I still believe we can take it out sooner than later. Tokyo can be profit taker for our analysis. Gold, silver, oil, maybe. Ah, okay, okay. Spending time with family is very important. More important than sitting on the stream, to be honest. Yeah, so thank you, Christian, for being here today with me on the two sessions. Thank you guys who are rewatch this session later. And we see tomorrow at the same time as always with schedule 5 p.m. CST. Friday day off, Saturday market close, and Sunday rabbit hole for market open. Let me check the calendar for tomorrow. Oh, tomorrow is PPI and unemployment claims. PPI are mid-value and unemployment claims also mid-impact. So both of them can give us high volatility day, same as today. And Friday, no news, to be honest. Consumer sentiment. Is it mid impact? I'm not sure if it's mid impact. For me, it's closer to low impact than mid impact. I'm just learning, trying to figure out stomping pool. Oh, only 5 months. You're doing great. Maybe you are one of the talented trader. You know, your analyses are very, very great. So what you need to focus is psychology now, because you do analysis very good. And that things with liquidity sweep, volume range, fib levels, that's gonna be enough to be profitable. Don't need to search for more knowledge. Only mastering psychology about emotion mainly. It's gonna also help you with your real life. So treat it serious. And there is of course things like cheat map, bookmark platform. You know, with footprint there is ATAS, bookmap, Ninja Trader, things like that. You're going to have access to the footprint, real data from volume side. On the trading view, it's not that it's not real time on the trading view. And also CFD had a fake data feed sometimes. I mean, not fake, it's not fully complete data feed. So maybe in the future that's gonna be another level, but for now, fixed volume range, fib levels, liquidity spots, and volume bars are really, really enough. And if you master that technicals well, you need to start focusing on your emotion during trading, during analyzing, and all of that psychological stuff. When you master psychology and you feel, I want to get more knowledge, let's go for the footprint. That's my advice. Yeah, that's the harder part, because it's influence not only the trading but whole your life. And that's the hardest part of trading, and also hardest things for a lot of people to learn, how to be good with your emotion. How to not freak out by your emotion. Oh, yeah, that's gonna be it from me for today. You can expect slight pullback, maybe bit deeper. And I think we're going to sweep that low during the Tokyo. So take care, guys, be careful today, and think about psychology. Have a nice rest of the day. We see tomorrow. Scheduling the outro. 2 sessions today. That was good day. Bye bye.